My IM family, when you study the gut and you see where all that energy, life comes from, it takes you to the interstitial fluid. So when you optimize your interstitial fluid, which is your inner ocean, we left the ocean by putting it inside of us. It's up to 20% of our body weight. I'm 150 some odd pounds, so that's 30 pounds of living water flowing through me, and it's in a plasma state. You ever heard of easy water? Lots of different names for it. It's in a crystal plasma state. It's alive. It communicates with all cells are flowing through it. Everything's made from it. Just think it's the base liquid of our body. So all other liquids come from it. So your pineal gland, your semen, your eggs, how they're all made, all come from this interstitial fluid. So when the fluid is clean, you create clean, etc. When it's not clean, when it's toxic, you create toxic cells that create toxic everything. She's gonna break it down for you.
We discovered that severe COVID patients lacked bifidobacteria, while patients that were high risk exposed had a lot of bifidobacteria. We also discovered that people with autism, Alzheimer's, Crohn's disease, Lyme disease, irritable bowel syndrome, mental health, invasive cancer, lacked bifidobacteria. Appears in the young at a high level and disappears as we get older.
It doesn't disappear as we get older, it disappears as we accumulate toxicity. Every time you think about age, just think about toxicity accumulation. If you're not getting rid of the toxins, they are accumulating.
We found that vitamin C, bovine immunoglobulin, and ivermectin, a fermented product of a bacteria called Streptomyces, could help increase bifidobacteria and restore. Is that why we were seeing possibly hypoxic patients improving? We wrote a hypothesis. Perhaps ivermectin was improving the bifidobacteria. That hypothesis was published and retracted in 2023. When a hypothesis is retracted, we've lost science and medicine. We then presented data on the vaccines, and we discovered that the vaccines killed the microbiome, specifically the bifidobacteria. That abstract won the Best Research Award at the American College of Gastro and reached 18,000 GI doctors, yet was never published. If you follow the disappearance of bifidobacteria in the gut, you start to understand disease. You start to see why the
disease is the lack of energy and thus toxicity. The toxins take over, energy goes down. Think about it like a fish tank. You clean the water, the fish is healthy. You got dirty water, the fish is not healthy. Solution, clean the water.
Newborns, 1 in 12 kids in California, 12 boys in California has autism. If you look at the data that just came out that showed newborns, only 25% of newborns are born with adequate levels of bifidobacteria. So if you restore the bifidobacteria like we did in our lab in kids with autism, you will actually resume speech, which is what we showed in 2 twins where we restored the bifidobacteria. That abstract won a research award at the American College of Gastro. In fact, Progenobiome has earned 4 consecutive awards at the American College of Gastro, affirming peer recognition of our work. Yet promising observations face problems and persistent barriers when attempting to publish in papers. Pass rigorous review are retracted over minor, easily correctable issue. The main non-medical scientist that criticized my papers has patent on the microbiome.